Hey folks, welcome back to the code Chic. In today's video I'll be showing you how to download and install Git Bash on Windows 10. Now Git is a version control system that helps us manage and keep track of our source code history. Previously I talked about GitHub. GitHub is basically a cloud-based hosting service that lets us manage Git repositories, and I mentioned that Git and GitHub work alongside each other. So let's get started. First, you open your browser and go to gitscm.com/download. I'll link it in the description below. We are going to install Git on Windows 10, so you have this option already for Windows 10. If you're using Linux, you choose Linux, or if you're using Mac operating system, you can choose for Mac. But for now, we shall download for Windows. Just click on the download button, and then we see our Git being downloaded here. It will take a few minutes. At this time of making the video, the download size is 48.1 MBs. We see our Git is done downloading, so we just click on the executable file. We shall see a pop-up asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? You just click on yes, and then this is the license agreement. So we click on next, and this will take us into the directory. So we leave this as default. So we click on next, use Vim. We just simply click on next. Let Git decide, next. Use Git from Git Bash only. We can use Git command line and also from third-party software. This is the recommended one, so we leave it as default. So we click on next, and then next. Then we install. So this will take a few minutes. So after the installation is complete, you see Git is launched, and then you have release notes. You can read through this. This is basically to describe issues specific for Git for Windows release. And then we have our Git Bash. It's basically a command line interface. So we can check our Git version by typing git version. So here we shall see that we are using Git version 2.34. That means that Git Bash is successfully installed. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you how we can use GitHub. So stick around. See you in the next video. Bye.